Hello guys, today we're going to be unboxing a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So today I'm going to be using it like a 2x2 because I need to still learn how to solve it first. So I'm going to kind of be using it like this. Okay, so see, it's like a 2x2 kind of, but we're not going to be mixing it like this, so it'll be harder for me to get it like that. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, so we've got solved now, but in the next video, I'm going to scramble it. Right now, my brother will scramble it for me, and then in the next video, I'll be solving it. I'll be solving it.
And I've also at the same time scrambled it.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.